Hey everyone, Shraddha here. Here is a quick tip for those who are writing blogs, or maybe there are people who don't know how to include a link in any blog, or say in maybe in LinkedIn article or whatever things you are writing. So what you need to do is, suppose if I want to include my company's website in the form of text, so I'll write Scale Up Marketing Solutions. Now I need to include a link of my brand in within this text. So what I'll do, I'll just click here. We need to go to plus, then you can see this link. Click on link, and here write your website. So here it is. Now you can select the right one. Either you want to click on the LinkedIn page or Instagram page or your company's website. So here I want to maybe let my visitors go through my company's about section. So I'll just click on here, about section. So then click. So it's done. When I'll click here, now you can see we have you can see it here. We have reached here on our company's about sections page. So people can got to know that what I'm doing or what are the services that I'm providing and everything. So yeah, just wanted to talk about this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come with any topic, do let me know that too. And stay tuned. Bye bye, take care.